Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect Digest, and I'm with a bunch of friends here, and we are going to unbox two very interesting gadgets here. We have the Oraimo Toast Power Bank and Oraimo Necklace earphones. Let me first introduce you to my friends. So here is Ashish. Hi Ashish.
Hello, sir.
So Ashish is into journalism, and I got to know him because he was interning with me. And I have Simran from his college. Hi Simran.
Hi.
And Hersh is also
Harsh.
here.
Hi, sir.
Hersh is pursuing his engineering. So uh, I'm going to unbox this, and I'm going to ask about these guys' perspective and these guys' reactions and opinions about these products. Let's get started with this unboxing. Let's start with unboxing the power bank first, and this is the Oraimo Toast OPBP103D. That is the exact model number here, and let me open this up for you. This is a 10,000 milliampere hour power bank, and it comes with a sleek design. It's priced at $17.99 and is available at all major electronics stores. And this is the Oraimo power bank. It comes with an anti-slip design, as you can see, and it looks very sleek and very handy. It has two USB output ports. This is the charging port and this is the LED light. There is a button towards this side. If you click it once, it shows you the battery status, and if you click it twice, it turns on the LED light. So it's quite sleek. There is a small micro USB cable provided here for charging. You can charge two devices at one go with this. One cool thing about this is that it comes with up to 2.1 ampere charging, and it can charge two devices with very high speed. So it is quite high tech when it comes to the features. Now let's unbox the Oraimo Necklace headbands, and these are also very interesting. These are priced at $27.99 and they offer some very cool features. So let me first unbox these, show these to you, then I'll talk about the features. So here we have the necklace earphones from Oraimo, and these are really high quality in terms of construction. They are built in high quality plastic and metal finish. As you can see, these are the metal tips. These are flexible around the neck design. Here you have the power on off button and LED indicator here. There is this flap which conceals the charging port, and here you have the volume control and other controls. So it's quite nicely finished, very sleek and lightweight. Talking of the special features that are offered with these, they are anti-loss, which means that if you are paired with these earphones and you walk away from your smartphone and they go out of range of your smartphone, these will buzz and remind you that your phone is getting out of range. So it helps you prevent loss of your phone. They come with high definition sound. They have up to 8 hours of talk time or music playback, 200 hours of standby time. So that's a lot of battery standby time. It's a very comfortable, lightweight design, and they come with 1 year of warranty. They also come with magnetic design. So when you have it around your ear and you're not listening to them, they are not inside your ear canal. You can just put it like this and they will stay connected and they will not fall off. Now let's talk to our friends about the reactions about these gadgets and find out what do they think about it. So let's find out from Simran what she thinks. Simran, you have experienced the earphones and you have seen the power bank. What are your first reactions?
First, I'm going to talk about these earphones. So I really like these earphones. I heard the music from them and it was like, I liked it. I liked the quality of the music. It was like, it has a bass and it enhanced the music the way I would love to listen to it. And on the other hand, I have this power bank and it's really very sleek and it's handy even. So I like it, and it also have that LED part, and I liked it also. So the best thing I liked about is these magnetic portion of the earphones, because I'm very bad at handling things, and it makes it a bit handy for me to not forget them anywhere else and all that. So I like it.
Thank you. Let's hear from Hersh what are his reactions about these two products. So Hersh, over to you.
I do like the power bank a lot. I can actually charge two devices at once. I have two devices. Plus the LED function is pretty LED functioning is pretty cool. Here you can see the torch can be switched on and off. And plus, if you talk about the earphones, I do personally like the design a lot. It's pretty cool. And if you talk about the sound quality, it's pretty decent. And yeah, the last thing, magnets. It's pretty handy in that way. I like it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now we are with Ashish. Ashish, you have experienced the earphones
Yes.
and seen the power bank.
Yes.
Tell me your first reactions.
For the earphones, they get pretty loud, and that's nice, and they don't lose their quality when they're loud, so that is a pretty good thing. And it has a lot of bass and treble as well, which is also nice. And also the thing that they don't put a lot of stress on our neck bone is nice. And for the power bank, it's sleek. It is pocket friendly both on the budget wise and all. So for my pockets, and I can charge my phone with this included cable quite easily because it is quite small and it can be put in my pocket. So I like both of these products equally.
So you heard the reactions of my friends about these two gadgets, and I'm going to travel very soon and I'm gonna carry these two with me. I'm gonna tell you how I like them after experiencing these two travel friendly gadgets on my travel. So as I promised you, this is the second part that I'm shooting while on my travel, and I'm at Delhi airport, and I'm using the Oraimo Necklace earphones, and this is the Oraimo power bank which is charging my phone. And if you see closely, this is smaller than my phone, so it's very easy to carry, super convenient. It has 10,000 mAh battery, so I have practically 3 to 4 charges of my smartphone right with me while I'm traveling, so that's really cool. And more important than that is that I'm carrying two phones, so I have two output ports here, so I can also charge the other phone with this without the hassle of disconnecting the first one. So if I'm running low on battery on both the phones, I'm covered. And these earphones are also really slick. When I'm not using it while in the boarding queue or somewhere, I can just connect it like this and does not fall off. And when I'm using it, just place it in my ear. And the controls for volume, changing track, etc. are provided here on the remote control area. The mic placement and the overall usability of this is also very convenient because of the shape, size, and it's very lightweight. It gives 8 hours of music playback. That's quite a lot, so I'm very impressed. These are must-buy accessories if you travel a lot, but if you're someone who appreciates sleek accessories which not only look good but also perform really well. This is all we have in this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below and stay subscribed for more. Pardon me for the shaky video. I'm shooting this handheld while I'm traveling, so please pardon that. Thanks for watching again, and you can get the Best Buy links or description about these products in the links provided in the video description, so do check that out. Bye bye for now.